What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at another video, man. Today, you read the title. We're going to be talking about what to expect from the new upcoming, I feel like the most anticipated, the most hyped this year, speaking about Jordan brand, not like all the hype stuff like the Virgil Off-White collabs or the Travis Scott collabs, like the regular OG iconic sneaker, the Air Jordan 11 Bred. Y'all know this year we'll be getting in a high cut patent leather, but I kind of want to show you guys what I have and kind of give you like a first look, kind of give you guys an idea of what these things are going to look like. It's not going to look very different from the 2012 release, but I'm going to throw some pictures up there, let y'all talk about it, and get some conversation going in the comment section below. But right now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I need you right now to hit that subscribe button and ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video, post notification, live stream. I will be going live tonight, so you guys stay tuned for that. Also, follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage, man. The link will be in the description box below as always. And y'all can see by the drop fronts, man, I still got a lot of work to do. I got shoes still way over there. That's why I didn't even point the camera straight to point at all the drop fronts. So I got so many more shoes to put on top of these containers, and I still have shoes all wrapped around my closet. It's just crazy, man. But y'all stay tuned for all that. I'm doing a sneaker room tour very, very soon. So make sure you hit that notification bell. And with all that being said, let's jump right into these Air Jordan 11 Bred. Alright, y'all know in 2012 it came in this box. Y'all know recently we began like the pull-out boxes. We got like undo this, pull it out, slide down, like stuff like that. But this one, you get a regular Jordan box, man, with the big Jordan right here. Here go the size label right here, Air Jordan 11 Retro. Had black, varsity red, and white. And I forget the retail price on these because retail still gets ripped off just because the shoe is old, the box is old, just fell off or whatever. And I got these in a size 9. I actually did not hit on these in 2012. I was in high school when these released. I got these like in 2015, I believe. Got them for about $300, man. I was like, man, I got to give me a pair of Breds. I always wanted them. And I had the Bred lows that dropped in 2014. I had to cop them joints. And I was like, man, let me go ahead and get the highs. So here we have right here. Let's pull it out. Check it out. They had it just like this. Got that little red film in here, or plastic, whatever you want to call it. Got the Roman numeral 11 right here, and it said Nike made them fly and you made them iconic. So that's what we get on pretty much all of the Air Jordan 11 releases. But instead of the box opening like this, you slide it out. So let's move this out the way. Check it out right there. And then we have this paper wrapped around the Air Jordan 11 Breds. Like I said, I still haven't worn the shoe just because I feel like it's super old, and I feel like if I wear it, I'm like, I don't know. It's not that old, but I don't want to mess them up. I want to get these other Breds, and then I'm definitely gonna beat these joints up. So I'm gonna pull them out. They was pretty much dead stock when I got them, but of course it's normal wear and tear because the shoe is what, over 7 years old. So check it out right here, Air Jordan 11 Bred, man. Check them things out. Like I said, I do have the lows that I do want to pull out for you guys. But yeah, get a good little look at these. I'm gonna throw some B-roll in there for you guys so you can check them out and kind of get an idea of what these shoes are gonna look like. Like I said, it's pretty much gonna look the same, but in a higher cut patent leather. You can see right here, the patent leather on here is pretty low, and now they're going back to the highs, man. So like the Air Jordan 11 Space Jam, even the Prom Nights 11s had the high cut patent leather. And I do believe that they're still going to keep a 23 on the back. Like I said, I'm put pictures up here so you can see, but pretty much the same sneaker, man. That's the point I want to make. And the only reason that I feel like this one was more hyped, I would say, than this pair, because you got that OG high patent leather, and everybody was like, I think more people was wanting to get the 4.5 on the back rather than the 2.3. But hey, me, I really don't care. I just want a nice fresh pair of Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. I'm gonna pull out the lows real quick so we can kind of get like a little comparison going real quick. So here we have it right here, Air Jordan 11 low Breds right here. Pretty much the same low cut in that patent leather. Only difference is, of course, this one is low. I got the 2.3 on the heel right here and the red lining. On these Breds, there's a black lining. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna change that. And you got a red shoe insert right here. Pretty much you get this on all your Air Jordan 11 highs. And yeah, man, you got that Jordan logo in the middle and the third lacing right here. Check it out. Got like a ballistic mesh on the tongue. I don't know if I'm naming that right. I always say ballistic mesh when I feel like this thick mesh right here. Check it out right there, man. And the laces, like I said, you got the regular rope laces on the 11s. Pretty much the same as your regular 11s that released, besides the Prom Nights. They had like some thin rope laces that kind of represented the cords on graduation, little, what's the thing called, thing that go on your head?
Really, nigga?
I forget, but pretty much represent those. And check them out. Check that Jordan, man, out right here. Crazy, crazy jump, man. Got that patent leather all wrapped around. Like I said, this shoe is very, very old, and I'm scared to wear it. But I am gonna do an on feet for you guys at the end of this video, so you can get a nice look at these Air Jordan 11 Breds and see how dope they're gonna be on feet. Shoe that goes with everything. Any type of denim you want to wear with these, dark blue, black, light denim, anything you want to wear, you can rock with these. I'm gonna throw one pair of jeans in there that I think goes perfect with these, and just so you can get a good look at these. On the back of the tongue, as you can see right here, we have quality basketball inspired by the greatest player ever. Get this pretty much on all of your Air Jordan 11 back of the tongue. And yeah, check that 2-3 out real quick. Let me get the other shoe so you can check that 2-3 out in the back. There you have it right there. And I think that I seen a video on YouTube. I forget who video it was. I'm not sure if it was authentic or not, but the 2-3 look way more spread apart. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe that's because it was a bigger size, but I kind of like how it's kind of like thin right here. And I wish they would have stitched the 2-3 in the back, man. That's my only nag about the shoe. They got pictures. Let me check on Kicks on Fire right now to check when the official release date is. So right now on Kicks on Fire, they have it retailing at 220 bucks. I for sure know that these did not retail for 220 back in the day, in 2012. The official release date, December the 14th, which is kind of common. You know, when we get those Air Jordan 11s that drop, it's always November or December. I remember they hit us with the Midnight Navy 11s, and then they hit us with the Win Like 96s, the all red joints that released in November. Then December, they hit us back to back with Air Jordan 11s. Of course, they sold out because everybody loves 11s, and it's around Christmas time. It's like kind of the peak season for Jordans to sell. Of course, they do it with the most iconic silhouette in the Jordan line, man. So shouts out to them for that's good sales tactics, good marketing, man. So yeah, December 14th retail for 220 bucks. Y'all let me know how you feel about those retail prices, man. They are definitely been climbing up ever since I started liking sneakers. I remember when I was in high school, they retail for like 170, I believe, and I think before that, a couple years before that, it was like 160. And I know back in the day, like just hearing word of mouth and stuff like that, talking to all the old heads and stuff like that, the shoes was like retailing for like 120 bucks, 110 bucks for a pair of Jordans, man. It's crazy. Now we paying over 200 plus for most of our Jordan releases. We talk about the taxes and the shipping if you get them off Sneakers app and stuff like that. So it can get up there in prices, man. Like I said, I did want to give you guys a nice look at these. Check out the bottom. Got that red outsole right here. So I think I did wear these once or twice. I'm not for sure. I know I haven't worn them in a while. I know I didn't wear them none in Germany. I think I might have worn these in Oklahoma maybe once or twice. But check that nice red outsole out. Very, very dope. Got the black pods in there, the black Jumpman, that carbon fiber. You already know how it come. You can scratch it in here and stuff like that. I honestly don't know why everybody does that. Everybody know what carbon fiber is, but I guess it's just a way to legit shake your sneakers, because if it don't got that texture in it, I guess it's kind of on the fugazi side of things. But these right here are 100% authentic. Of course, you know your boy don't go that route. I cannot wait till these shoes are released. I'm definitely gonna cop 2 pairs, man, if it's up to me. Hopefully they release like at the PX. I know they're gonna be flooded throughout the malls. Check that white midsole out. Hope you guys are enjoying the B-roll I'm hitting you guys with. I just want to give you a good representation of pretty much what the Air Jordan 11 Bred is going to look like December the 14th. So right now in the comment section below, let me know if you're going to be going after this pair. I'm really interested in knowing. If you didn't cop any shoes this year, I see a lot of people definitely going after these because they're Air Jordan 11. So let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you let me know in the comment section below if you're going after this pair in the comment section below. Also, follow me on Instagram at DeVintage Wallman. Link will be in the description box below. Like the video. To go for every video is 100 likes. And for you to comment, man. Let me know something in the comment section below. I appreciate all love and support. More content dropping. I got something scheduled for tomorrow to give you guys something different I never did on the channel. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy that. And also make sure you tune into the live stream tonight. All that being said, I hope you guys are about to enjoy this on feet over the Air Jordan 11 Breds, man. Let's get it.